accidentally sent money, or had a change of plans. Let's dive into how to cancel a Worldremit transaction right on your phone. First, open the Worldremit app on your phone and make sure you're logged in. Look for your recent transactions, typically displayed right on the home screen, or accessible through an Activity or Transactions tab. Find the specific transaction you want to cancel, and tap on it to view the details on the transaction details screen. You should see clear information about the recipient, amount, and status of your transfer. Look for a Cancel Transaction button. It's usually prominently displayed, perhaps in a red color, to grab your attention. Before you press that button, remember, cancellation isn't always possible. Cancellation availability depends on factors like whether the money has already been collected by the recipient, the country of the recipient, and the payment method you used. A pop-up screen will likely appear warning of the cancellation status and condition. Read this message carefully. If cancellation is possible, tap the Cancel Transaction button. The app might ask you to confirm your decision. Then, you should see a confirmation screen or message that your cancellation request was successful. The screen should include information on the refund process, which might take a few business days depending on your payment method. You'll likely receive an email confirming the cancellation and initiating the refund. The refund timeframe varies. Check the app notifications or the email for the estimated duration. Keep an eye on your account. The funds will be returned to the original payment source. That's it. Remember, always double-check the details of your transactions before sending, and good luck.